In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark from PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Before we begin, a quick reminder, only remove a watermark if you have the right to edit that PDF. This process is intended for your own documents or files you're authorized to modify. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro 2026 and opening the PDF you want to clean up. Once the file is open, make sure you're looking at the full interface, not just the quick viewer. You'll be using Acrobat's editing tools, so the next thing you need is the Edit PDF workspace. Head to Tools, then choose Edit PDF. This switches you into a mode designed for making content changes, and it also reveals the watermark controls we need. With Edit PDF active, look for the toolbar that appears specifically for editing. In that toolbar, click Watermark. This menu is where Acrobat lets you add, update, or remove an existing watermark. If you don't immediately see watermark, double check that Edit PDF is actually selected. The option appears only when you're in that editing context. You can also use the search box within the Tools view to type watermark and jump straight to it. Next, select Remove. Acrobat will show a confirmation prompt because removing a watermark impacts the entire file. Choose Yes to confirm. The removal happens instantly, and Acrobat applies it across all pages in the documents, so you don't have to repeat the action page by page. After confirming, scroll through a few pages or use the page thumbnails to spot check that the watermark is gone everywhere. If the watermark persists, it may not be a true Acrobat watermark. Sometimes what looks like a watermark is actually part of the page content or an image embedded in the PDF. In those cases, the remove command won't affect it because there's no watermark metadata to delete. Ensuring you were in Edit PDF before clicking watermark can also resolve most nothing happened moments. A couple of tips as you work. Acrobat applies this change immediately, and you can undo right away if you clicked remove by mistake. Because removal is document-wide, it keeps your file consistent without extra clicks. Also, if you collaborate on PDFs, consider working on a copy while testing edits, so your original remains untouched until you're satisfied. That's it. Open your PDF in Acrobat Pro, go to Tools and Edit PDF, click Watermark, choose Remove,